here.
Philippines there, guys. Oh.
Oh, the floor is moving.
So,
Really just
ganda
tight.
guys.
Here's where they
Nakaka-amaze.
sat. This is where they stepped
Ayan.
the boat.
Ay, yung old telephone. No. Ferry boat. Ayan guys. So, upo lang tayo dyan. Oh. Okay.
Captain.
You get? Yeah. Yes. Nakaupo tayo. Okay. Ganda diba? Ito na kami guys sa mataas. Thank you for watching everyone. Ang ganda. Wala akong masabi. Super nag-enjoy.